Hi everyone, it's Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I want to talk to you about one-way roads. Now, one-way roads are indicated by this sign, and the sign there is telling us that traffic can only flow in one direction and there should be no traffic coming the opposite way. Now, when we get to the end of a one-way road, we need to position our car in the correct space to indicate and show other road users exactly where we want to turn. So if we're wanting to turn to the left, the car should be positioned on the very far left-hand side of the road. And if we are turning right, we should be positioned on the very far right-hand side, close to the curb. Positioning your car on the left-hand side of a one-way road and then turning right would result in a fail on your driving test. If you found this information useful, give it a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop, or join our online theory course at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.